Hi, thank you for using X-Securitas Watermark products. Even if the agent program is installed, there may be a policy that prevents the agent from running for a specified user. Let's set this up. In the policy screen, you can use the System Configuration System Exception User Exception menu to designate a user who won't run the program. Register domain or username on this window. In this case, user1 is registered. You can enter a username or domain name or in the form of a domain/username. After registration, please click the Save button to save. Now, we will log on as user01 on the user PC. You can see that user01 is logged on, but the watermark program is not running. This policy is applied at agent startup. That is, if user01 is already logged on, this policy is not applied, and the policy is applied when the agent is restarted. Thanks for watching.